Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an unboxing of this mattress. Yes, this is a mattress and this is an Origin Hybrid Pro Mattress and this is in single size. Okay, I'm gonna put it down. Oh my god, this heavy. Need some muscle work. Oops. Can you help me to hold the box? Just hold the box. Just hold it. Hold the box. Don't let it move. Hold the box. Hold the box. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, now. Okay. Thank you, boys.
You're welcome.
So I just want to make sure I don't cut the mattress. Okay. Need to sit down. This is workout. Oh, this is really airtight. Oh wow. Okay.
Why can I get cut?
I'm really very scared that I will cut through the mattress. I have to be careful. There's one more layer. Wow! This paper, I was like sweating doing this. So this mattress is very unique because it comes in a rolled form. It is not fully inflated yet. It is best to wait for about 24 hours and it takes about 2 hours to fully inflate. So right now let me try the mattress. So it's pretty bouncy and it's very soft. Boys, want to try? Come.
Yes.
Come. I actually got this bed for my younger son.
Right, and then very bouncy also, yeah?
How do you like the bed?
So nice and so bouncy.
Too bouncy. Is it soft?
Yes.
Do you want to sleep on it?
But my bed is over my bedroom. Then why I have this bed here?
It's a new one for you. Do you want it?
I want it.
How about you? Do you like the bed? Do you like the mattress?
Yes.
How do you feel?
Very comfortable.
Here are some of the cool features of this Origin Hybrid Pro mattress. This is a technologically advanced hybrid mattress with 6 layers. That includes layers exclusive to the Pro such as the Polar Silk Tencel, cover layer, natural wool and ergo coil micro precision springs. So this is a spring mattress, it's a pocketed spring mattress. And the next thing is that it's extra cooling. Oh wow, this is really extra cooling. Okay, extra cooling up to 5 degrees cooler. A superior combination of Polar Silk Tencel plus temperature regulating natural wool layer drops the temperature of the mattress further by -2 degrees cooler than the original hybrid and 5 degrees Celsius cooler than an average mattress. Especially weather in Singapore is super hot, so sometimes we do not have aircon. Some rooms maybe do not have aircon, or in the afternoon when you're taking a nap and you do not turn on the aircon, it's fine because this is very cooling. So just now when I was unboxing this mattress, I was sweating and I did not turn on the aircon. I can feel that it is really cooling. The next feature is the targeted 7-zone support. So this is targeted support for different parts of the body: head, shoulders, lumbar, hips, thighs, legs, and the feet. The next feature will be the just right firmness. So this is medium firm. So just now I mentioned that yeah, it is medium firm, it is not too hard, which is optimal for comfort and health. This is suitable for people with allergies and is also anti-parasitic. Anti-parasitic means it helps to eliminate bed bugs and dust mites, as well as antimicrobial. Antimicrobial means it helps to eliminate bacteria, fungi, and viruses. So one of the reasons why I want to get this mattress for my younger son is because he has a sensitive nose and he often has sinus. His PD actually diagnosed him with allergic rhinitis. The doctor advised him to get a hypoallergenic mattress, anti-dust mite mattress, as well as for all his pillow and also bolster. The next cool feature about this mattress is it is sustainable and eco-friendly. So made with REACH certified materials. This means that they are made without harmful chemicals, ozone depleters, or volatile organic compounds, or known as VOCs. It is adjustable base compatible. It bends and flexes to follow the contour of any adjustable bed base while still maintaining perfect support and structural integrity. So you can see that it was quite flexible when I opened up this mattress. Overall, I feel that this mattress is very good because firstly, the firmness level is just nice. It is not too firm or not too hard. It has medium firmness and it's just nice. Secondly, the support is also very good. I can feel that there are support. I used to buy a mattress for my son, and it's those that is just a foam mattress, a very basic kind of foam mattress, and it does not have any support at all. So that is why this time round I want to get him something better and something with spring as well as with support. The next thing I like about this mattress is the cool surface. So this is very cooling, especially for our warm weather and hot weather. This cooling sensation helps a lot. Now I have turned on the aircon and I feel that it's even cooler. The next thing I like about this mattress is the bounciness. So I also do not like the spring to be too springy, too bouncy, because I don't want my kid to keep on bouncing on it and hurt himself. Another thing that I will consider when I buy mattress is the smell. Just now when I open it, there's no plastic smell at all. That's why it is eco-friendly mattress. There's like no smell at all. Because these are very toxic, especially those mattresses that they use some kind of material which is similar to plastic, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, those one, you can really smell something unpleasant, which is a very plasticky smell. The material that they use, I can feel that is of very good material. I can feel that it's very high quality material. And lastly, something which is very important is this mattress actually has zero disturbance. If I am sleeping with my son, if I move, then when he sits beside me, the mattress actually do not move a lot. The zero disturbance feature of this mattress is very helpful. Sometimes I do accompany my son to sleep. When he falls asleep, then I will get out of the room. So it's very important that if I move, it doesn't disturb his sleep and he doesn't wake up. If you guys are interested to get this mattress, I will leave a link down in the description box below so you can check it out. So that's all for my review for the Origin Hybrid Pro single mattress. If you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!